It's winter time in Budapest, and to feel the energy of the city, I'm out to explore this vibrant magical city called Budapest.
Impressive structure is called the Great Synagogue. जो यहाँ के लिए must है. If you come to Budapest, you have to visit this place.
The world's second largest synagogue, featuring a room that holds 3,000 people, is a center for the large Jewish community of Budapest. For me, it was a beautiful moment. I just sat and admired the beauty of the synagogue. Over 5,000 Jews were killed during the Holocaust in Hungary. The names of 30,000 Holocaust victims have been delicately inscribed in the tree leaves, upside down.
यहाँ पे जो एक चीज़ बिल्कुल नहीं मिस करनी चाहिए वो है थर्मल बाथ्स. ठंड है बाहर कि it was mandatory that I come and warm up myself. And do you know how? I'm going to try some thermal baths.
Budapest is a unique city in more than one ways for those who love spas and wellness. Budapest में 118 natural thermal springs हैं. So no wonder that as early as in 1934, Budapest was awarded the supreme title Spa City.
हॉट थर्मल स्पा है और कहते हैं टर्क्स ने जब इस कंट्री को रूल किया तो उन्होंने ये थर्मल बाथ बनाए थे जिनका ट्रेडिशन आज तक चला आ रहा है. बुडापेस्ट में बहुत सारे थर्मल स्पास हैं बट गिलर्ड स्पा इज वन ऑफ द नाइसेस्ट वन.
Make sure you pack your swimwear. Head to Gillard Bath Palace and enjoy a relaxing day in the heated pools. Talking of St. Stephens Basilica, you should definitely see it when in the city. और इसका आर्किटेक्चर ऑनेस्टली इतना स्टनिंग है कि इसे सिर्फ बाहर से ही नहीं देखना चाहिए बल्कि अंदर से भी देखना चाहिए. So pop through the glorious doors and take a seat on the pews inside, and you'll have plenty of time to admire all that glorious Hungarian art and design that adorns the walls. ये चर्च हंगरी के फर्स्ट किंग सेंट स्टीफन को डेडिकेटेड है, इसीलिए इस चर्च का नाम सेंट स्टीफन बेसिलिका है. कहते हैं इसका डोम इतना बड़ा है कि यहाँ 8,500 लोग एक साथ बैठकर मास कर सकते हैं. इस चर्च में किंग स्टीफन का राइट हैंड ममीफाई करके रखा गया है. St. Stephens Basilica's Christmas market. एंड स्टीफेंस में हर साल क्रिसमस मार्केट लगता है, which is in fact a winter festival which starts in late November, ends in the New Year's. So if you are planning to visit Budapest in December, do visit this square for great Christmas market. This is real Christmas market. You know why? Because it's snowing and it's so nice. And look at this basilica.
ये बुडापेस्ट का मेन स्क्वायर है जहाँ पे अभी क्रिसमस मार्केट लगा है. It's really crowded today, but it's beautiful. Hungarian forintine is equal to €1, यानी कि 80 rupees in Indian money. So you need to carry lots of money if you're actually buying something like a soup or something for 4,000 Hungarian forintine. Well, I'm only using my euros, though I told you that it's part of European Union, but still a very conservative country.
This is the most famous sweet bread from here. It is called sweet cake, and he said that this is available throughout the year.
My God, I didn't realize that Hungarian food is so popular. There's a whole lot of dishes and there's so many people who are just queuing up to eat this delicious Hungarian dishes.
I think इसका नाम हंगरी सही रखा है. यहाँ खाने का लोगों को बहुत ही शौक है.
My God, इतना क्राउड देखने के बाद आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि ये शॉपिंग स्ट्रीट है. Yes, this is the fashion street of Budapest, and this is where you find all the brands. So I think I should just go and venture in some shopping. Hello Hungary! Subscribe to my YouTube channel Travel with the Nagar and follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.